Have you ever stopped and thought, what happens when robots don't just follow commands anymore, but actually learn by doing real jobs just like humans? Well, that future may have arrived sooner than anyone expected. Meet Apollo 2, the newest humanoid robot from Apptronik, and honestly, this thing is on a completely different level. And here's what makes it wild. Most robot companies love showing flashy demos. You know, robots dancing, doing backflips, waving at cameras. But Apptronik took a totally different path. Instead of making robots for cool internet clips, they built something called Robot Park, a massive training facility in Austin, Texas. Nearly 90,000 square feet dedicated to teaching robots how to actually work in the real world. Think warehouses, factories, retail stores, real environments, real tasks, real learning. And right now, fleets of Apollo 2 robots are constantly working inside this giant facility, collecting huge amounts of real-world experience every single day. But here's where it gets even crazier. Apollo 2 isn't just one robot, it comes in two different versions. One walks like a human, the other moves on wheels for industrial environments. So instead of forcing one design to do everything, Apptronik built a system that adapts depending on the job. Pretty smart. Now here's the biggest twist. Apptronik is working directly with Google DeepMind. Yep, the same company behind some of the world's most advanced AI systems. Every task Apollo 2 performs, lifting objects, moving equipment, navigating spaces, all of that data is being used to train future robot intelligence. Basically, every shift this robot works, it gets smarter. And this isn't just some experiment. Everything Apollo 2 is learning right now is helping build the next generation robot called Apollo 3. Which means the robots entering workplaces tomorrow could already know how to do the job on day one. So the big question is, are humanoid robots coming to assist workers, or are they slowly preparing to replace them? Because after seeing Apollo 2, the future of work suddenly looks very different, and honestly, it's happening faster than most people realize.